Jai Shri Ram. This is another composition of Adi Shankaracharya. Anatma Shri Vigarhana. Censuring all acquisitions except the knowledge of the self. This is something fantastic. Okay. So let us look at it. The refrain means reprise, means pallavi. The sentence or phrase that is repeated. So, tatah kim. What then? So what? So the refrain is tatah kim. It signifies the vanity and futility of acquiring so many things. So what? If you don't have the knowledge of the self, so what? So let us look at the first one. The meaning I'll read first. Learning, honored by kings, has been acquired. Supreme wealth has been obtained. The fair one's company has been enjoyed. All these verily are vain, are futile. Uh, by whom the self has not been realized. If you do not have any knowledge of what is the self, of course, for that you have to study the Bhagavad Gita first six chapters. Deal with the knowledge of the self. Labdhva. लब्धा विद्या राजमान्या ततः किम प्राप्ता संपत् प्राभवाढ्या ततः किम भुक्ता नारी सुंदरांगी ततः किम येन स्वात्मा नैव साक्षात् कृतो भूत. That is the refrain. Next, the body has been adorned with bracelets, ornaments, and clad in silken robes, pampered with dainty food, and all these verily are wasteful if you have not understood the self. So what? केयूराद्यैर् भूषितो वा केयूराद्यैर्भूषितो वा ततः किम् कौशेयाद्यैर् आवृतो वा ततः किम् तृप्तो मृष्टान्नादि वा ततः किम् येन स्वात्मा नैव साक्षात् कृतो भूत. Next, you see, many places you have visited, many relatives you have taken care of them. The pain of poverty has gone. All these are vain if you have not realized the self. Drishta nana charudeshas tatah kim पुष्टाश्चेष्टा बंधुवर्गस्ततः किम नष्टम दारिद्र्यादि दुखम ततः किम येन स्वात्मानैव साक्षात् कृतो भूत. Awesome. So of what use are all these things?